Hi kitchen friends! Welcome to Jules Flavor Bliss. If you're a beginner cook, love to eat, or simply love making simple dishes, then this channel is for you. I've got a collection of simple, easy recipes but packed with flavors. Easy peasy and yummy, and that is my version in food. In today's episode, I'll be sharing with you my very own version of beef stew with 7 herbs and spices. Perfect on a cold, rainy days or even freezing winter too. And if you will watch this video from start to finish, I will reveal to you my secret ingredients and my cooking method how to achieve this succulent beef stew. Come on, let's start cooking. And here are the ingredients: chopped cuts of beef, slices of garlic, onion, carrots, olive oil, and salt. Okay, join me in my kitchen. With a moderate fire, we will heat our olive oil. We'll be using olive oil to sear meat. Although in searing meat, we need a very high temperature. And olive oil as well as butter is not advisable to use because it has too low in smoke point. But right now, we will just be slightly searing the meat. We are just after the little taste that it will contribute on our dish. But what is this searing meat I'm talking about? Well, searing meat is a technique. It is an essential step if you want to make the most flavorful meat or stew and so on. And for every chef, it is a very important technique. And for us home cook, we will follow their way. When you sear meat, you caramelize the natural sugar in the meat and browns the protein, and that will create a rich brown crust on the surface of the meat, and it will surely amplifies the savory flavor of the dish. Right now, I am just searing meat just to seal its juice and flavor so that later on we will have a very juicy, flavorful meat chunks. I just added a little salt to make it a little salty, and then we will set this aside. We will switch from a moderate fire to a slow fire. And we still be using the same pan. Now, let's pour some olive oil again. And we are going to saute the garlic. We will just cook the garlic without browning it. That is why I did not crush the garlic. I just slice it. By that way, it will still give you another depth to your flavor. And the residue that's been browning on the pan will also add a little flavor, a toasted flavor. But be sure not to burn it. Add the onion. And if I could only send you the smell from my kitchen. It's so yummy. And you'll get hungry too. You could see the garlic and the onion are already cooked, and they got a texture like a paste. It's now time to add in again our meat. And we'll continue to stir so that it won't stick on the pan and burn. And now, time to reveal my secret ingredients. And these are my herbs and spices blend. Dried oregano, thyme, marjoram, cumin, ground and white pepper, laurel leaves, and black pepper. Just a little pinch of each and it will do the trick. Now we switch to moderate fire and continue stirring it. Let's add some more salt. After adding the herbs and spices blend, carrots and bell pepper, we continue stirring it so that we wanted to infuse more flavor from those ingredients. And on the later part, we'll still garnish it with some more carrots and bell peppers. Let it boil for about 90 minutes over a slow fire. We will let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce thickens. Voila! Jaran! Here is our succulent, flavorful beef stew. Perfect beef stew. If you want more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like and share button. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. God bless. Bye.